First thing first, guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end so you get every single thing I'm about to tell you. And I'll keep this video very short, making you only understand the major points and the levels, the targets you need to achieve, and make your capital grow at least 100% returns by getting 2 times of your capital. For suppose investing 100 rupees, you will be getting around 100 plus more, making your capital grow twice, right? So right away, let's get into the first thing, which is the profit and loss statement. So first thing you need to understand, in March 2016 this company's profit was at around 31 crores net profit, right? And in March 2020, as you can see, it grew up till 9 times, which is at 230 crores, so which is a 9 times growth, a very good growth for the company. Revenue as well grew from 3850 to 8560, almost around 2.5 times growth in the revenue. Now coming on to their balance sheet. The balance sheet also the debt to equity ratio from 1.70 to around 1.20 in March 2016 to March 2019, right? Now if you see, the net worth grew from 449 crores to 1128 crores, which is a very good growth, around 3 times growth in the period of 4 months. Now let's get into who all they serve or who all their clients are, which you will be surprised with. So they've got global MNCs like Coca-Cola and many big Indian companies, as you can pause the video and see, as it is a huge list of clients over here, right? And also the next slide of the clients with the company, and again another list of the clients, right? So you can just pause the video and also see the clients, or just go previously back 5 seconds. What does this company do now? First thing you need to understand, they do provide security services. The company, when it was initially established, when it was initially registered in the stock market, it was only into security services, which it was a global leader of. And why am I saying this global leader? Because they work in India, they work in Australia, they also work in Singapore and many other countries as well. So after that, they started diversifying into cash logistics, which basically means the transportation of valuable cash or valuable goods. And then recently the facility management, which is basically managing the facilities like healthcare, pharma, hospitality sectors, and also the big companies like miscellaneous activities like cleaning them, or other stuff over here. And they are a market leader in the global space, as well as they get a good market share of the particular segment they are working in India, Australia and Singapore, and are rapidly growing with diversifying their businesses. And why do I believe so? They can continue to grow on because their management is very good, and I believe that further on they will also classify more of their businesses and diversify their services. Now, when did I personally buy this share? I personally bought this share when it was consolidating in this period. As you can see that at around 425, if I take you back in the 1 day's time frame, it was finding this kind of a pattern. And the time I was taking the trade, it was around at 400 rupees, but I took the trade at 325, waiting for a perfect entry, which is a good entry, as fundamental analysis with technical analysis makes the good trade over here when you take it. Right now, coming on to the targets, what can the targets be? The first thing you need to understand, the company's name is Security and Intelligence Services, which is SIS. The first target which you can achieve is definitely at 600 rupees, making your capital go almost 2 times, as I personally took it at 325. Even if you take it at 420 rupees, as of what now it has given a breakout upside, it would definitely try to go around 600 rupees, making you giving a returns of around at least 40 to 60% returns, right? And my big target would be around at 703 levels, because what I'm finding is a W pattern over here, right? So it can easily achieve that. And in the long term, I believe in the company, as what they're doing is very good and diversifying. What I believe is that they can achieve higher levels than 703. Just in case if you want to see when did I suggest this stock, it is in my Telegram group on September 10th. It was falling way below 343 levels, and I also suggested to buy them for around 3 to 6 months, going to the targets of 600 to 300 from 300 rupees, right? Just in case if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is right in the description. You can go and find it out. Make sure you're also subscribed to my channel, and also hit the bell icon notification for regular market updates, and also check out my playlist for technical indicators, fundamental analysis and technical analysis as well. Until next time guys, happy investing and bye bye.